Welcome to American Roots. Our dishwasher broke, and I need to come up with a quick breakfast option. Joe wants some breakfast, and we've got to get dishes done and replace the dishwasher. So, B, this one's for you. So, I started by using a frozen puff pastry. You pull it out and you let it thaw. You can either thaw it in the microwave for 10 seconds on each side, or you can leave it out for about 10 minutes. Room temperature will make it so you can use it. So I started by cutting the dough into 4 even squares, and then I took some frozen blueberries and put that in there, and I topped it with about a tablespoon of blueberry jam. You can use any fruit filling. I've used cherries, apples, raspberries, whatever you have. I baked it in the oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I baked the turnovers for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. I'm going to let them cool completely, and then I'm going to make the boiled frosting. To make the frosting, I use a tablespoon of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and then I ended up measuring out about a quarter of a cup and an eighth of a cup of powdered sugar. And I sifted it to make sure that I had a better chance of removing any lumps in the frosting. As I stirred it, I started thinking I might need something, so I added some cinnamon to the frosting. This is where you can get creative. You want to mix it until it's smooth, and then you're ready to put it over your cooled turnovers. Now the frosting is going to thicken up as it stands in the pan, so I just like to give it a stir before I put it on. And then I just drizzle it over the top. Turnovers. All right, give it a try.
Delicious.
So would you say those pastries are worthy for the morning? A quick morning pastry?
I'm gonna kill it if you don't get some.
So you had to take the electrical wire off the old dishwasher so that you could hook it up to the new one?
Yeah.
Saving money, are you? I like that.
So when I took these off, I marked them ground black and white because they're all gray. And
That way you could tell which was which. So before you took them off, you marked them? Smart.
oh, it's just this ring that was in the other one.
up. So,
Good job. It's funny, this was the last appliance that needed to be changed out when we bought the house. So it was an unexpected task that we had to do this weekend, but I'm glad we got it done and we were able to save some money by doing it ourselves. I hope this encourages somebody. And until next time, from our family to yours, God bless you.